This segment sponsored by the Stark Museum of Art.
Duck hunters, art lovers, and environmentalists, the Stark Museum of Art has just the showing for you. The Conservation Art Federal Duck Stamps exhibition is running now through January 2020, and your participation is requested. Dr. Sarah Bain is curator of the Stark Museum of Art. Explain to us what's so special about the collection that makes up this exhibition.
This exhibition is Conservation Art Federal Duck Stamps and Prints. And this is a collection of federal stamps used to raise funds for wildlife habitat and the artist designed prints that go with them. So we have prints from 1934 to 2000.
All right, and those prints were part of a contest that started back during the Depression.
Right, the program began in 1934 when wildlife, particularly ducks, geese, and swans, were threatened, and the stamp was designed to raise funds for wildlife habitat, and then every year a different artist was chosen, and it's become a very competitive contest that artists avidly enter. It's the only federal art contest that we have.
All right, great. And you want participation from the public. There's interaction going on with this exhibit.
In addition to the 67 works of art that we have on view, we have other learning tools. We have additional stamps. We have a duck blind. We have a reading area, and we have a design your own duck stamp. And a fun element is the Nintendo game, The Duck Hunt. So you can come and play being a duck hunter as well.
There you go. All right, you also have some coordinating family nights, even a date night. Tell us about some of the activities that will coincide with this.
We have a number of programs. We'll have a family day with activities for children and families that relate to the exhibition. We have workshops, art workshops. We have a fun film, The $1 Million Duck, which follows 5 of the artists who submit their entries. And we'll have a slide talk. And as you mentioned, a date night, an evening chance for visitors to come in and enjoy the exhibition.
Great, which we hope they will do. It sounds like a great exhibition.
Yes, thank you for coming.
Admission to the exhibition is free, so make plans now to enjoy a visit to the Stark Museum of Art at 712 Green Avenue in Orange. The web address is starkculturalvenues.org/Stark Museum.